everybody, welcome back to Rachel and Bella Crafts. Rachel here, hope you're all well. So firstly, sorry I haven't been around for about a week now, I don't think, until since I last put a video up. I've had a couple of things to have to sort out, unfortunately, with my Ko-fi site and PayPal and Stripe and one thing and another. I've actually had two people who have made fraudulent claims against me for buying my membership and then claiming to their bank that they haven't purchased the membership, and basically trying to get their bank to reinstate their payments. But unfortunately, it's not quite as simple as that, because Stripe, they're like PayPal, so some of you choose to pay through Stripe, some of you choose to pay through PayPal. They are fining me now for every transaction that these people have claimed that they haven't made themselves. So not only now am I going to lose, or potentially lose, the membership funds that the people had paid, I also then get fined for each transaction. So it could end up costing quite a bit. So I just want to make really clear to everybody, please, 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 if you take out a membership via my Ko-fi page, there are things on there for you to read, to be clear about what you're doing, to be clear that it is a monthly membership, to be clear that the freebies are part of the monthly membership, and that, you can't then go and claim to your bank afterwards that it's somebody's fraudulently used your card, because it does show your login times. So that's kind of what I've had to be doing over the last week or two. I've had to get all this evidence together to send to these people's banks, basically to just try and prevent them from taking the funds. But my Stripe funds have now been frozen because of it, which has just taken a lot of time. It's been very exhausting and, quite frankly, quite upsetting. So that's my apology, and I'm sorry I haven't been around. Absolutely nothing wrong with the Ko-fi site. Let me just reiterate that. Nothing wrong with the Ko-fi site. This has all just been caused by some very dishonest people who are trying to get their banks to give them back money that they have spent. And thankfully, I've got evidence there that it was them that did it. But obviously, as you know, these things take a lot of time. And in the meantime, it's the small seller, myself, and whoever else they've obviously probably tried to do this to. We're the ones that get penalised for it. So yeah, no, nothing wrong with the Ko-fi site at all. Ko-fi site is amazing. They've been really supportive and really helpful. So just a quick video tonight, guys, because I'll be honest, it's kind of sucked my mojo a little bit. I just haven't been able to come on and do a video, so haven't really known what to come on and chat about. And it's kind of just not my confidence a bit, really. So I just thought, right, tonight I just need to, I actually did these freebies for you all last Thursday, because I went away over the weekend. I don't know if any of you saw the Morris dancing videos I put up for you. If you haven't seen that, go and check out the short on our YouTube channel. But I did do these freebies for you last Thursday, and then I just couldn't do a video Friday. So I'm so sorry that they're late, but there are 2 pages for you, for some freebies to thank you. Yet again, for just always being there, and thank you for watching my last video. But these are last week's freebies. I have made some more large tags. This one here is larger again, and I will show you in the next video why I've made this tag larger. And I will also share with you what I've been up to, because I have not been idle, I just haven't been able to film. So I've been very busy, actually. It's been quite nice. I'm just trying to find my calm centre again. So yeah, you've got a page there of these lovely large tags, and oh, lovely! I sound like Moira then. Oh, Schitt's Creek, my goodness. Lovely large tags. And then I've got some of these smaller ones. I've made mini ones, and I've put little pictures on there for you, and just a few little extra cutout bits. So it's a taggy week. Well, actually, this one is going to be a large journaling card, but you can use them for whatever you want to use them for. You can even print them out even smaller, put 2 on a page, and have them even minier, even smaller. But yeah, they're there for you to do with as you please. So they are on my Ko-fi page. Please go check them out. Download them for free. They're freebies there for you. What have I been doing this last week? Well, I have actually been working very, very hard on this beautiful altered book, which I'm so pleased with. It's unbelievable. It's been a while. I kind of had again lost my way with journals. I've started several altered books. As you know, you've been on these journeys with me, and then they just come to a grinding halt. So I was determined to finish one. So I thought, right, I'm not going to put my camera on. I'm just going to work on this journal. And do you know what? I am so pleased with how she's turned out. Look, how gorgeous is she? I love it. She's absolutely fantastic. So, and in fact, the cover I made out of, you know, when I make my kits, I do a front sheet. Well, that's what I used for this. This is the front sheet of the Truly Blue Fussy Kits kit, and I just love these beautiful birds, and I thought, you know what, that'll make the most exquisite front cover. So I did an altered book, and I wanted that then to be on the outside, and that's what I've done. So I've popped some fabric over the spine because the spine was really crumbling and falling apart. It was a very old book, and then I cut the page in half because actually this is the first half, but I wanted the beautiful blue and coal tit on the front there and these lovely flowers. So yeah, and then I put this lovely boho band across the centre. So she is coming along very nicely. I'm very pleased with my progress so far. Left that front page in there because it's a first edition. Sorry, I've got hiccups now. But yeah, I've just been sat quietly watching my Netflix and, you know, getting on with bits and pieces with her, and trying to kind of like find my enthusiasm again. I think it's probably the word I'm looking for. So yeah, just a little sneak peek for you. She's a little bit different to the last ones that I've done. She's by no means finished. There are still a few things I want to do, but I'm really pleased because I've actually managed to put these lovely journal inserts into them. So yeah, I'm really excited about this journal, and just really pleased that she's pretty much almost completed. I don't want to make her any thicker because she sits really nicely at the minute, and the spine isn't bulging, and yeah, she's just perfect. So it's just a few last bits and pieces that I want left to do. I've also been working on these little cuties. So this is what I was sat doing today, was just making these lovely little clusters. I've made far too many. I didn't need all of these, but it was just keeping me quiet and trying to get my mojo going again, really. But yeah, I'm really pleased with them. So I've done some kind of like boho style ones. I've done some with labels and with buttons on. Some I've taken from my images where I had done some painting when we were on holiday. But yeah, I just really enjoyed sitting there with the sewing machine, stitching around, and you know, bit of a mixture really. So some of them have got the images out of the kit. I'm loving working with the Truly Blue kit. Really love it. The kit for this month is going to be a little late coming out. There is a reason for that, and I will reveal that in time, but I haven't forgotten it. Those of you that are members on Ko-fi, please be patient. It will be out. It'll be out within the next week or two, but there will be a kit for August. It's just a little there's a slight delay on it, but there is a reason for that, and I will tell you more about that in the next couple of videos to come. I hope to be back with my proper schedule now in the next week. I'm hoping that things will calm down on the Ko-fi front, and that things will just go back to running smoothly. I've also been today, gosh, I actually have been super busy today, and I've made a load of these lovely master boards that are ready for me to cut into large journal cards, and they're going to go inside my lovely big pockets that I've made inside of the journal. So I've been working with those lovely master boards that we did at the retreat, if you remember. So I've been using bits of those and then bits of the Truly Blue kit, which, like I say, I am loving working with. And again, just to show you that even though they are collage papers, you can still collage with them further, you know. You just keep on collaging down, because obviously like these are a couple of different pages on here. This is a mixture of the different papers again on there. So, you know, it's just interesting to keep digging in. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you any longer this evening. I just wanted to pop on and say hi, give you your freebie. I'm sorry it's late. I'm sorry I haven't been about. Like I say, I had lots going on, but I'm hopeful that things will just calm down now. But yeah, don't want to labour the point, but just to kind of, reiterate that, obviously, if you are signing up to memberships for anybody's shop on Ko-fi, or anywhere else, really, I know some people have memberships on YouTube, and their websites and things, please just remember, we are small businesses, and if you change your mind, you simply just need to cancel. There's no need to make things difficult for us and cause more work. So yeah, other than that, on a great note, go and get your freebies from our Ko-fi page and enjoy, print them off, and let's see what you're going to make with them. And I will be back with you very soon. Take care, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Bye.